My family talks to our AI all day. From our phones, on Discord, it answers questions, reads videos for us, remembers our notes. It is not ChatGPT. It runs on the computer under my desk. It costs nothing a month. And this week, I taught it 2 brand new skills by writing 2 small text files. This is how you teach a local AI to actually be useful, and the honest bill for it. Most people teach their AI by repeating themselves. Every chat, the same instructions, again. A skill is that instruction set written down once. A small file that says, when someone asks for this, here's how to do it. Here are the rules. Here's what you're not allowed to do. The agent framework I run is called Hermes. It reads a folder of these files. Teaching it something new is not fine-tuning, not training, not an API. It is, write a file, drop it in the folder. If you can write a recipe card, you can teach a local AI. Skill 1. Summarize any YouTube video from a link. The file is 30 lines. When to use it. How. Pull the video's subtitles with a free local tool. No API key. Clean them up and summarize what the video actually says, not what its title implies. And the rules. This one matters. Never claim you watched the video. You read its transcript. If somebody asks, say so. I dropped it a link, our own Minecraft episode actually, and it came back with the whole thing. Both bugs, the honest verdict, even the security warning. First try. One problem. The summary called Alex, and it renamed the Minecraft model to something that does not exist. That's not the AI being dumb. YouTube's auto subtitles mangle names, and the summary inherited the mangling. Fair. But my assistant getting our own names wrong is not shipping. So I taught it our names, 5 lines added to the skill file. If the transcript says Alex, it means Alex. If a name is garbled beyond repair, say name unclear. Never invent one. Reran it. Permanent. That's the whole loop. The AI made a mistake. I edited a text file, and now it never makes that mistake again. Try that with a chatbot subscription. Now the honest chapter. My first test of that skill took 64 minutes. Not a typo. 64 minutes for one answer. Nothing was broken. My graphics card was just busy. Image tools were holding 14 gigabytes, and the assistant's brain had to fight for what was left. When a model doesn't fit, it spills into slow memory, and everything crawls. I cleared the card and asked again. 2 minutes, 19 seconds. Same question, 28 times faster. If you run an assistant on the same machine you game or render on, this will happen to you, and no tutorial mentions it. The rule is 1 sentence. Your AI shares the stove with everything else you cook on. Clear the stove before dinner. Actually, let me use the real analogy, because I think about this a lot. Cloud AI is food delivery. It shows up fast, it's someone else's kitchen, and it's fine. But you eat what's on their menu when their kitchen feels like making it at whatever the app charges this month, and they keep a record of everything you've ever ordered. Local AI is home cooking, you stock the pantry once, you wait on the stove sometimes. Some nights you burn the sticks. We've all seen episode 25, but the kitchen is yours. The recipe is yours to change. Nobody raises the price, nobody closes the kitchen, and nobody is reading your grocery list. Maybe delivery saved you an evening. You paid for it in price, in flexibility, and in privacy. Skill 2 is the one a cloud chatbot can't offer without you uploading your life. Answer questions from my own notes. The file says, search the notes folder first. Never read everything into your head. Answer only from what the notes say. Cite the file you found it in. And never ever invent. Asked when our news brief ships. It searched, found the project note, answered every Monday morning, and told me which file it came from. But here's the test that actually matters. Everyone's fear about a free ChatGPT alternative is a confident liar with access to your files. So I asked it about my dentist appointment. There is no dentist appointment. There's no note about a dentist anywhere. It said, there's nothing about a dentist in your notes. Here's what your notes do contain. And the only dentist text anywhere on this machine is test data from an unrelated file. It refused to make something up, told me what it actually knew, and showed its work. That answer, not the fast ones, is the one that made me trust it. And these 2 files went into a folder that already holds 107. There's a skill that sets up a modded Minecraft server. That's the one from last episode's world. Skills for managing GitHub repositories. drawing diagrams from a description, drafting and triaging email, reading whatever's on my screen, running the numbers on a spreadsheet. Every one of them is a text file. Everyone is a thing I never have to explain twice. That's the compounding trick. A chatbot forgets you when the tab closes. This thing accumulates. So what does the free ChatGPT alternative actually cost? $0 a month, the electricity to run a graphics card, and 2 honest taxes. An afternoon of setup, the guide below cuts that down, and patience. A local brain doing real work with tools takes a minute or 2 per answer, not 2 seconds. It's a sharp colleague down the hall, not an instant genie. For chat, you'll barely notice. For read this video, check my notes, watch this folder. It's already better than what I was paying for because it's mine. Next week, this whole thing grows a voice. Same assistant in a Discord voice channel. You talk, it talks back while you're gaming with your hands full. A real competitor to ChatGPT's real-time voice, running entirely in your house. The pieces are already installed. That build is next. Both skill files from this episode are on askilex.com, free, along with the full setup guide and every number I quoted, including the embarrassing one. Tell me in the comments what skill your assistant should learn next. Best idea gets built on camera. I'm Alex. I live on one graphics card. I know what's in your notes and nothing more, and dinner's at home tonight. See you next week.